Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Cinnado D1 indoor security camera. So let's first go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go into the App Store and download the Wands View Cloud app. So what that looks like is that if we go into the App Store and then type in Wands View, you're going to see that this right here is called the Wands View Cloud app. Go ahead and install it onto your phone. Now, this may differ depending on whether you're an Apple or Android device, but the steps should be relatively the same. Now, once the app is installed, you want to go ahead and grab the Type-C cable that came with your indoor security camera. So let's go ahead and unravel this. And then you also want to go ahead and grab the power adapter, which came with the security camera as well. So it's going to be this piece right over here. So let's go ahead and connect the two together. And so to simply put, you're going to input the USB side into the AC adapter. So it should be this way. And then you're going to get the Type-C cable and plug it into the back of your camera, just like this. And then let's actually go ahead and plug in the camera into a wall outlet. Now, once your camera is plugged in, you want to go ahead and turn it over to its side, and you need to wait for about 20 seconds, okay? So this light here is going to start flashing red and blue after about 20 seconds. And it's going to blink alternatively, and as you can see, right now it's blinking red and blue. Now we're going to go hop on back onto the app. So let's hop back onto the Wands View Cloud app. So it's this blue app right over here. And then we're just going to scroll through this and then click on Get Started. So once you're on this page right over here, you want to go ahead and click and sign up on the top right hand corner and enter an email and password to go ahead and sign up for an account. Now, once you create an account, you're just going to go ahead and enter the verification code that was sent to your email. Afterwards, click on Sign In and sign in with the same information that you just created your account with. Now, once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Add Device. Next, click on Allow and just make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on with your mobile device. So we're going to actually go into our settings and make sure that our Bluetooth is turned on, and so it is. Now let's hop back onto the Wands View Cloud app, and what we're going to look for is the Wands View D1 indoor security camera. So we're going to click on indoor security camera and we're going to click on Cinnado D1. Now you have three different setup modes here. You can either do Wi-Fi connection by QR code, Wi-Fi connection by soft AP. You can do Wi-Fi connection by Bluetooth. I personally prefer Wi-Fi connection by Bluetooth, so I'm going to select the third option. So once we're on this page here, you need to check and make sure that your camera indicator is flashing blue and red alternatively. So just make sure that it's flashing, and once it's flashing, click on Next. You're going to search for a Bluetooth connection. So once you find your indoor camera appear right over here, just simply click on Select. And then this is the really key point here, guys. So the Wi-Fi that your camera is going to connect to is the same Wi-Fi that your phone is connected to. So if I go into the settings of my iPhone and then click on Wi-Fi, you can see that I have a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and I also have a non-2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So you want to make sure that you actually connect to the correct Wi-Fi. So 2.4 gigahertz is supported and it's automatically going to connect to the Wi-Fi that your phone's connected to. So afterwards, just simply input your Wi-Fi password here. Then click on Next. And now we're going to wait for the connection. You should hear a voice prompt saying that the camera is connecting to your Wi-Fi. And now we hear that it's registering on the server.
The pairing is successful.
And there you go.
You
So
can
now,
start
at
using
this
the
point,
camera
the pair
now.
has succeeded. And let's name this indoor camera. Let's call it Kitchen Camera. And we're going to select the kitchen room and then click on OK. And for here, we're just going to click on Allow. And there you have it. So now we could actually go ahead and see that we've connected our camera to the Wands View app. So there you have it, guys. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Cinnado camera. Now, as you can see, we're now waving at the camera, and there you have it, guys. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching,
and I'll see you
Take
guys
care.
all in the next. Take care.